Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing a workbook solution for social science for standard 8, chapter number 12, that is India post independence. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with the MCQs. First one, when did India attain independence? It's option number D, on 15th August 1947. Second, at the time of independence, how many princely states were there in India? It's option number B, 562. Third one, who decided to partition India? It's option number A, Lord Mountbatten. Fourth, who passed the Indian Independence Act? It's option number B, the British Parliament. Fifth, who was appointed as the first Governor General of independent India? It's option number A, Lord Mountbatten. Sixth, who became the first Prime Minister of independent India? It's option number B, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Seventh, which state did Sir C.R. Ramaswamy Iyer declare as a sovereign republic? It's option number C, Travancore. Eighth, which Nawab declared his desire to join the Union of Pakistan? It's option number A, the Nawab of Junagadh. Ninth, who merged the princely states into the Union of India? It's option number B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 10th, which king was the first one to accept the merger with the Union of India? It's option number D, Krishna Kumar Singh Ji. 11th, of which state was Sri Krishna Kumar Singh Ji the king? It's option number B, Bhavnagar. 12th one, who unfurled the tricolour from the Red Fort in Delhi for the first time? It's option number A, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. 13th, how was Junagadh merged into the Union of India? It's option number B, by conducting a referendum of people of Junagadh. 14th, when did Pakistan attack Kashmir? It's option number D, in 1948. 15th, when was the Constituent Assembly formed? It's option number C, in 1946. 16th, who was appointed as the President of the Constitution Assembly? It's option number D, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 17th, from when was our constitution implemented? It's option number A, from 26th January 1950. 18th, which day do we celebrate as Republic Day? It's option number C, 26th January. 19th, which day do we celebrate as Independence Day? It's option number D, 15th August. 20, who was the last Governor General of independent India? It's option number D, Chakraborty Rajgopalachari. 21, who was the first President of India? It's option number B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And now we'll continue with question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. First one, our country, India, became independent on 15th August 1947. Second, Pakistan was separated from India on 14th August 1947. Third, there were 562 states in India at the time of independence. Fourth, the policy of the British was always to divide and rule. Fifth, the proposal of partition of India was put forward by Viceroy Mountbatten. Sixth, according to Viceroy Lord Mountbatten's plan, the British Parliament passed the Indian Independence Act. Seventh, Mountbatten was appointed as the first Governor General of independent India. Eighth, Muhammad Ali Jinnah was appointed as the first President of independent Pakistan. Ninth, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru unfurled the tricolour from Red Fort in Delhi for the first time. 10th, Sir C.R. Ramaswamy Iyer declared Travancore as a sovereign republic state. 11th, the Nawab of Junagadh desired to merge Junagadh with Pakistan. 12th, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and his secretary Sri V.P. Menon were given the responsibility of merging of states. 13th, Ratubhai Adani along with other people established the Arzi Hukumat. 14th, military action was taken to merge Hyderabad into the Union of India. 15th, Gandhiji was assassinated on 30th January 1948. 16th, Nathuram Godse assassinated Gandhiji. 17th, the Constituent Assembly was formed in 1946 CE. 18th, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was appointed as the chairman of the Constituent Assembly. 19th, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was appointed as the President of the Constituent Assembly. 20. The Constitution of India was implemented from 26th January 1950. 21. We celebrate 26th January every year as our Republic Day. 22. We celebrate 15th August every year as our Independence Day. 23. C. Rajgopalachari was the last Indian Governor General of Independent India. 24. Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the first President of Independent India. Now we'll continue with question number 3, that is true or false. First one, the British always maintained that Hindus and Muslims had the same welfare. It is false. Second, Viceroy Lord Mountbatten was of the opinion that if India had to be independent, partition was inevitable. It is true. Third, the Nawab of Junagadh desired that Junagadh should be merged with the Union of India. It is false. Fourth, Hari Singh was the king of Kashmir when India became independent. It is true. Fifth, Gandhiji became a martyr on 30th January 1949. It is false. Sixth, all the members of the Constituent Assembly lived in Delhi. It is false. 7th, the Constitution of India was implemented on 26 January 1950. It is true. 8th, we celebrate 15th August as our Republic Day. It is false. Now we'll continue with question number 4, that is match the following. First one, Independence Day. It's option number 2, 15th August. Second, first Prime Minister of India. It's option number 3, Jawaharlal Nehru. Third, Republic Day. It's option number 5, 26 January. Fourth, first President of India. It's option number 1, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Fifth, Chairman of the Constituent Assembly. It's option number 4, Dr. Ambedkar. Now we'll continue with question number 5, that is answer in 1 or 2 sentences each. First one, when did India become independent? India attained independence on 15th August 1947. Second, when was Pakistan formed? Pakistan was formed on 14th August 1947. Third one, what did Muslims who were influenced by the thoughts of the British believe? Many Muslim leaders were convinced that the Muslims will not be safe and the socio-political and cultural interests of the Muslims will not be taken care of in the independent India. Fourth one, what was Viceroy Lord Mountbatten's opinion about India's independence? Viceroy Lord Mountbatten was of the opinion that the partition was an inevitable condition of the independence of India, otherwise the entire country will face communal riots and many people would suffer due to it. Fifth one, who prepared the plan for the partition of India? What was done to implement this plan? Mountbatten prepared the plan for the partition of India. To implement this plan, the British Parliament passed the Indian Independence Act. Sixth one, who was appointed as the first Governor General of Independent India? Mountbatten was appointed as the first Governor General of Independent India. Seventh, who was appointed as the first President of Independent Pakistan? Muhammad Ali Jinnah was appointed as the first President of Independent Pakistan. 8th, which areas were included in Pakistan? Sindh, Baluchistan, West Punjab, Northwest Frontier and East Bengal were included in Pakistan. 9th one, who unfurled the Indian tricolour from Red Fort for the first time? When? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru unfurled the Indian tricolour from Red Fort for the first time. 10th one, who was given the responsibility of merging the princely states into the Union of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Sri V.P. Menon was given the responsibility of merging the princely states into the Union of India. 11th, who took the initiative of joining the Union of India first? The King of Bhavnagar, Maharaja Krishna Kumar Singh Ji, took the initiative of joining the Union of India first. 12th one, which princely states refused to merge with the Indian Union? Junagadh, Hyderabad and Kashmir refused to merge with the Indian Union. 13th one, who proved India's political unity after independence? How? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel proved India's political unity after independence by successfully merging princely states into Indian Union. 14th one, who assassinated Gandhiji when? Nathuram Godse assassinated Gandhiji on 30th January 1948. 15th one, with which words did Jawaharlal Nehru announce the sad news of Gandhiji's death on radio? Jawaharlal Nehru announced the sad news of Gandhiji's death on radio by following words: Friends and comrades, the light has gone out of our lives and there is darkness everywhere. I do not know what to tell you and how to say it. Our beloved leader, Bapu as we call him, the father of the nation, is no more. 16th one, who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly. 17th, who was the president of the Constituent Assembly of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constituent Assembly of India. 18th one, when was the Constitution of India implemented? The Constitution of India was implemented on 26 January 1950. 19th, who was the last Governor General of independent India? C. Rajgopalachari was the last Governor General of independent India. 20. Who was the first President of independent India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of independent India. 21. Which are our national festivals? Republic Day and Independence Day are our national festivals. Now we'll continue with question number 6, that is, answer the following questions briefly. First one, which problems did India have to face as challenges at the time of independence? Or which 3 challenges did India have to face at the time of independence? The first challenge was due to partition. Approximately 80 lakh refugees came back to India from Pakistan. The rehabilitation of these refugees was a major challenge. Second challenge was to integrate the 562 small and big princely states into the United India. The third major challenge was to build a stable political system to fulfill the expectations and hopes of the people and develop India into a strong nation. Second question, what plan did Lord Mountbatten make? Why? Viceroy Mountbatten was of the opinion that the partition was an inevitable condition of the independence of India. Otherwise, the entire country will face communal riots and many people would suffer due to it. Many visionary leaders who knew the reality unwillingly accepted the proposal of the formation of Pakistan. The discussions and negotiations continued for 3 months over a series of meetings. Consequently, Mountbatten proposed the plan of the partition of India, which is known as the Mountbatten Plan. The British Parliament passed the Indian Independence Act that finalized the arrangements for partition and abandoned the British suzerainty over the princely states. Now we'll continue with question number 7. Answer the questions in detail. First one is, write a brief note on the merger of the princely states into the Indian Union, or give some information about the merging of the princely states into the Indian Union. At the time of independence, there were 562 princely states in our country. India became a strong union as all of these princely states had joined the Indian Union. The most important and challenging task was completed by the Vice Prime Minister and the Home Minister, Shri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and his secretary, Shri V.P. Menon. They appealed to the patriotism of the kings, and with their excellent diplomatic skills, they successfully merged 559 states with the Indian Union. The first princely state to accept the merger was the King of Bhavnagar, Maharaja Krishna Kumar Singh Ji. At the end, only 3 states were reluctant to cooperate, and they were Junagadh, Hyderabad, and Kashmir. The people of Junagadh were keen to join India, and they launched protest for the same against the Nawab of Junagadh. Ratubhai Adani, along with other people, established Arzi Hukumat. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel conducted referendum and declared Junagadh as a part of the Indian Union as per the will of its people. Military action was taken against the Nizam of Hyderabad, and it was also merged in the Indian Union. Pakistan attacked Kashmir in 1948 CE, and the King of Kashmir, Maharaja Hari Singh Ji, officially joined the Indian Union. Geographically and strategically, it was very important that these states joined the Indian Union. India shall always remain indebted to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and VP Bannon for fulfilling this mammoth task and securing the unity and integrity of India forever. Their contribution towards the country was invaluable. And here we come to the end of the chapter number 12, that is India post independence. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video, and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.